Vegas, you need to get your act together. Raining all day Friday. Beautiful and sunny on Saturday. On Sunday, you give me this. Back to raining again. Still got to get that gym grind on. Let's roll. Hello everyone, this is PJ the Great on a Sunday, rainy Sunday. Little rain is back. Headed to the gym now. Gotta get some weights in.
Hulk out with your bulk out, bros.
I'm gonna be honest with you, I really don't feel good right now. It's like I'm feeling a little queasy. I don't know what it is, but I'm still gonna head to the gym, try and fight through it. And it is gloomy again. And can I just say how much I hate Sundays? I mean, yeah, I hate Sundays. Because it means you have to go back to work tomorrow. And another reason why is because I got saved stuff until the last day off to get done. You know, like around the house, I got to clean my house, got to do the laundry, and I save all that stuff for Sunday because I don't want to spend my days off doing it. But then I'm spending my last day off doing it. So yeah, I got to do that. First, I got to get this gym session in. Stay true to this diet, try and fight through whatever this is that I'm feeling right now.
Fight.
It's like my stomach is not happy about something. I did eat breakfast this morning because I was doing really bad at skipping breakfast, and that just destroys your metabolism. Not wise, you should not do that. I know better, but it's like I wake up and it's like 10:30, 11 o'clock. It's like I don't want to eat breakfast because lunch is like an hour away. But the best way to solve that issue is to get your butt out of the bed at a decent time so you can have breakfast. I mean, it's got to be done. Weight loss life ain't no joke.
I ain't no joke. I used to let the mic smoke.
I'm not a spring chicken anymore, but in the same breath, I'm not that old, out of shape where I can't give myself more energy to get out of bed and at a decent hour. I think a lot of it has to do with my diet. My diet has been awful. I haven't really made any serious adjustments to the diet. I've just been cutting down how much I eat. But I think if I start putting healthier things in my body again, I'll start to feel better. I'll start to get that energy, and I'll be able to get out of bed at 4:30 in the morning on work days and hit the gym. Get out of the bed at 7:30 on the day off and hit the gym. It's going to take more than just working out and going to the gym. I'm going to have to change my eating habits too. Alright guys, you know the routine. Let's get this gym session in. Rainy, rainy.
Blame it on the rain.
it's raining out, but I'm still not about that parking close life.
You ain't about that life, no, you ain't about that life.
I'm walking in the rain.
One eternity later.
Do work, son.
Do work!
Good weight session in. Felt kind of good. Went through my typical routine, the routine that I would go through if I was the 170 pound in shape me. The only difference is the amount of weight I lifted. I definitely can't lift the same amount of weight I used to lift when I was in shape. But I did the same routine just with lighter weights. Yeah, I think it went pretty good. Now it's time to head home. The rain is kind of let up a little bit, still kind of sprinkling, but I'm gonna head home, hit the shower, get a lunch in.
I'm starving!
A healthy lunch in. And see where the rest of this day takes us. We'll see. A little sick in that workout, but power through it. Gotta get through it. Get through the sick times. Yeah, I was definitely feeling sick. If these past 2 days have seemed like they've been geared or surrounding my whole weight loss journey, let me apologize for that. I'm just real focused right now on getting myself back in shape. I'm just not happy with where I am right now, so that's been like my main focus these past couple of days. So sorry if it seems like that's all I've been talking about, but yep, it's something I really want to concentrate on and focus on and get myself back in shape, because I am not liking all this at all. I'm done with it. I'm tired of being unhealthy. It's time to get me back. And Weight Loss Wednesdays is dedicated towards that, but it's kind of spilled in over in my vlog. But it's a vlog. It's about my life. It's what I'm doing. So that's why it's in there. If you don't know, now you know.
Biggie, 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 can't you see?
A few moments later.
Just got done with lunch.
Get in my belly!
Checking out this Packers Falcons game. Falcons are shocking, 24-0. What I had for lunch, I had a vegetarian crispy chicken sandwich. It's pretty good, low calorie. And now look at it's still raining out, and let's get over here in some light. Still raining out. There we go. Still raining out, and now it's time to do some exciting stuff. Check this out.
humans just lead short, boring, insignificant lives.
Can you guys see that? It's coming down harder now. I'm gonna go ahead and close out today's vlog. Just gotta do some typical stuff on a Sunday. Laundry, clean the house. Let's just bring you guys along for that ride. I'll see you in the next video. More than likely Weight Loss Wednesday. Unless I'm feeling froggy and want to do something before then. Still got to upload 2 Tech Tuesday reviews that I haven't even edited yet. So yeah, go ahead and shut it down for today. Thank you guys for watching. If you like the video, give it a thumbs up. And leave comments because I love reading your comments. And don't forget to hit that subscribe button. Alright guys, I'll catch you later. Deuces.
Hulk out with your bulk out, bro.